In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to GoDaddy Website Builder. By the end, you'll understand the quickest way to enable Meta's tracking on a GoDaddy hosted WordPress site using a trusted integration. This approach is designed for sites managed through WordPress on GoDaddy, where you have access to the plugins area. If your site uses GoDaddy's standalone website builder without WordPress, you won't see the plugins menu, and this exact method won't apply. Let's start from your WordPress dashboard. The goal here is simple. We're going to add Meta's official integration so the Facebook pixel can be placed correctly across your site and shop pages without touching code. From the left-hand menu, open Plugins, then choose Add New. This is where you can browse and install tools that extend your site's capabilities. In the search bar on the top right, type Meta for WooCommerce. You're looking for the official plugin created by Meta, which used to be known as Facebook. The listing should clearly say Meta for WooCommerce, and the author will show as Meta. Double-checking the name and author helps you avoid similar-sounding tools that aren't maintained by the official team. When you've found the correct plugin, click Install Now. WordPress will fetch the files and prepare them on your site. After a moment, the button changes to Activate. Click Activate to turn the plugin on. Installing just adds the files. Activating actually runs the plugin and makes its features available to you. Once activated, you'll notice new options related to Meta and WooCommerce inside your dashboard. The purpose of this plugin is to connect your store and site to your Meta system, so events like page views, add to cart, and purchases can be tracked by the Facebook pixel. This helps you measure advertising performance, build audiences, and optimize campaigns without manually inserting code snippets. If you don't see the plugins menu at all, that's a sign you're not on a WordPress setup. GoDaddy's website builder product is a different system and doesn't use WordPress plugins, so this route won't be available there. In that case, you would need a method specific to that platform. After activation, give your site a quick refresh and make sure everything loads normally. Keeping your theme and WooCommerce up to date ensures the integration works smoothly. If you ever need to pause tracking, you can deactivate the plugin from the plugin screen and reactivate it later. That's it. You've installed and activated Meta for WooCommerce, laying the groundwork for your Facebook pixel to operate through an official, reliable integration.